Hello friends, let's crochet together a little seal. We need 2 colors of YarnArt Jeans, and the size of my hook is 1.6. Also, we need safety eyes, black threads and fiber fill. Let's start from the tins. Make the first loop and leave the long end of the thread. Then we make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 lifting loop, and then we make 8 single crochets in the first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. One side. Leave the end of the thread outside. And don't miss the first loop here. Five, 6, 7, 8. Make a slip stitch in the first loop of the row and 2 chains. In the second row, we make increase with extended single crochet. And we make another extended single crochet in the same loop. 1, 2, 3. Then we make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and increase with extended single crochets. A slip stitch in the first loop of the row and 2 chains. In the third round, we make 2 extended single crochets. then 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 extended single crochets. A slip stitch and 2 chains. And we make the next 4 rounds in the same way. 2 extended single crochets, 6 single crochets, and 2 extended single crochets in the end of the round. At the end of the 7th round, we make a slip stitch, a chain, fold the detail in half, and we make slip stitches through the opposite loops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, a chain, cut the thread and hide it inside the detail, and we make the second team in the same way. The teams are ready and will continue in the next part.